Professor Swati जो हमारे मस्जिद मकरान स्टाफ हस्ते हैं हमारी तालबात और हमारी सीपीए असातिज़ा और बाकी जो स्टाफ हस्ते हैं welcome you all in this opening ceremony of plant breeding and genetics and inaugurational ceremony of जो मैडम अनुष हमें सिर्फ इनिशियली अपना एक लाइब्रेरियन इनिशिएट होता मल्टीपल लाइब्रेरी library of agricultural sciences. I was the first person, I was transferred from agricultural college Quetta and Sarega Science. There was no gate, there was nothing here. Not this building and nothing just. Now, 5 acre पे हमने olive trees भी लगाए हैं along with the efficient irrigation system हमने प्लांटेशन भी की है और हम एग्रीकल्चर को सही मानों में आपको कंक्लूड करके देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Just in one line, when I was serving some years, I was in the academic block of agriculture college Banjul. मेरे उस्ताद मोहतरम जो मेरे साथ बैठे हैं प्रोफेसर लुत्फुल्लाह मौसूद साहब जस्ट बस हमारे ये तो मेरे एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज banjul का कोऑर्डिनेटर होगा. I was just in this. There was not something. आज हम हकीकी मानों में बैठे हैं. Banjul is कर्जदार of sir lots of contribution. Please give a जुलाई 2023 को सर हम लोगों ने क्लासेस का आगाज किया 15 जुलाई 2023 and today there is the third week. I'll just conclude this program after some words here. I'll take you the laboratory and then thank you. So laboratory ginde you will feel in third week what we have done there, and we have also initiated a research on wheat, mung, bean intercropping on virgin soil under the umbrella of plant breeding genetics also there. So I also thank you the students of the Department of Horticulture department also. They collaborated with this department, and I also congratulate Mr. Shahab Atha, the representative of plant breeding and genetics, who organized such a beautiful program. Please give him a hand.